Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to do a cinematic text fade transition in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are and we have our sample right here. So we have this text and we're going to do a cinematic text fade on it. So to do that, you need to click on your text and locate your effect controls and locate opacity right here. And from here, we're going to use this 4-point polygon mask. You want to click on that and then you would have it right here on your screen, and then you want to expand this just like so that it would reveal everything right here on your text, just like that right here. And now that it's done, next is you want to go back into opacity and click on inverted, and then all the text would be gone just like that. But don't worry, when you slide it like this one, it would reveal itself. So we would be keyframing that. And from here, we're going to go into the beginning because I want to start my transition at the beginning. And I'm going to go and keyframe my mask path right there. Click on that. And then from here, I would want to go at the end point. So maybe at this point of time, I want the transition to end here. So I'm going to be moving my mask. So I'm just going to select my mask here to reveal this. And then I'm going to go and drag it just like so right here. And now when we play it, we would have something like this. And as you can see, it's quite slow right there, and I don't like the edges that is too sharp. So we can go with a feather right here. We can increase the feather. So with that, then when we go back right here, as you can see, it's not so sharp anymore. And then the next thing to make it faster is we would have to close the distance between the two keyframes right here in order for it to be faster. So let me just do it again. And yeah, now we have this simple cinematic text fade transition on Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.